Hi everyone, welcome to Lingo Steps. I'm Miti. Today we're going to learn the English alphabet from A to M. Let's begin. A. This is the letter A. Repeat. A. Apple. Repeat. Apple. Apple یعنی سیب. Ant. Repeat. Ant. Ant یعنی مورچه. Airplane. Repeat. Airplane. Airplane یعنی هواپیما. What we learned now. Let's review together. A. This is the letter A. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Airplane. Excellent. Good job. Let's go to the next letter. B. This is the letter B. Repeat. B. Book. Repeat. Book. Book یعنی کتاب. Ball. Repeat. Ball. Ball یعنی توپ. Banana. Repeat. Banana. Banana یعنی موز. Let's review what we learned now. B. This is the letter B. B. Book. B. Ball. B. Banana. Excellent. Good job. Let's go to the next letter. C. This is the letter C. Repeat. C. Cat. Repeat. Cat. Cat یعنی گربه. Car. Repeat. Car. Car یعنی ماشین. Cake. Repeat. Cake. Cake یعنی کیک. Review what we learned now. C. This is the letter C. C. Cat. C. Cake. C. Car. Excellent. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. D. This is the letter D. Repeat. D. Dog. Repeat. Dog. Dog یعنی سگ. Duck. Repeat. Duck. Duck یعنی اردک. Door. Repeat. Door. Door یعنی در. Let's review what we learned. D. This is the letter D. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. Door. Excellent. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. E. This is the letter E. Repeat. E. Egg. Repeat. egg. egg یعنی تخم مرغ. elephant. repeat, elephant. elephant یعنی فیل. eye. repeat, eye. eye یعنی چشم. Let's review what we learned now. E. This is the letter E. E. Egg. E. Elephant. E. I. Excellent. Let's go to the next letter. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. F. This is the letter F. Repeat, F. Fish. Repeat, fish. Fish یعنی ماهی. Fox. Repeat, fox. Fox یعنی روباه. Flower. Repeat, flower. Flower یعنی گل. Let's review what we learned now. F. This is the letter F. F, fish. F, flower. F, fox. Excellent. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. G. This is the letter G. Repeat, G. Gift. Repeat, gift. Gift یعنی هدیه. Goat. Repeat, goat. Goat یعنی بز. Grapes. Repeat, grapes. Grapes یعنی انگور. Review what we learned now. G. This is the letter G. G, grapes. G, goat. G, gifts. Great. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. H. This is the letter H. Repeat, H. House. Repeat, house. House یعنی خانه. Horse. Repeat, horse. Horse یعنی اسب. Hand. Repeat, hand. Hand یعنی دست. Let's review what we learned now. H. This is the letter H. H, horse. H, house. H, hand. Wonderful. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. I. This is the letter I. Repeat, I. Ice. Repeat, ice. Ice یعنی یخ. Igloo. Repeat, igloo. Igloo یعنی igloo. Ink. Repeat, ink. Ink یعنی جوهر. Let's review what we learned now. I. This is the letter I. I, ice. I, igloo. I, ink. Excellent. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. J. This is the letter J. Repeat. J. Jam. Repeat. Jam. جم یعنی مربا. Jet. Repeat. Jet. Jet یعنی جت، هواپیمای شخصی. Jump. Repeat. Jump. Jump یعنی پریدن. Review what we learned now. J. This is the letter J. J. Jam. J. Jet. J. Jump. Amazing. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. K. This is the letter K. Repeat. K. Key. Repeat. Key. Key یعنی کلید. Kite. Repeat. Kite. Kite یعنی بادبادک. Kangaroo. Repeat. Kangaroo. Kangaroo یعنی کانگورو. Let's review what we learned now. K. This is the letter K. K. Key. K. Kite. K. Kangaroo. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. L. This is the letter L. Repeat. L. Leaf. Repeat. Leaf. Leaf یعنی برگ. Lion. Repeat. Lion. Lion یعنی شیر. Lamp. Repeat. Lamp. Lamp یعنی چراغ. Let's review what we learned. L. This is the letter L. L. Leaf. L. Lion. L. Lamp. Good job. Let's learn the next letter. M. This is the letter M. Repeat. M. Monkey. Repeat. Monkey. Monkey یعنی میمون. Mango. Repeat. Mango. Mango یعنی انبه. Moon. Repeat. Moon. Moon یعنی ماه. Let's review what we learned now. M. This is the letter M. M. Mango. M. Moon. M. Monkey. Great job today. You learned the letters from A to M. Keep practicing and I see you in the next lesson. Remember, practice a little every day and you will improve a lot. See you soon. Bye.